Today we're going to start. Cruz is going to come over here and he's going to put these slats on this strawberry vine box. I'm going to put some posts in. Post, fabric, and mulch. A lot of work. Got a lot of work to do, dude. Here's the picket fences that we're using to put on the outside of the strawberry boxes. I basically made one template and cut all these to size. Now the only thing that's different is the dog ear is going to be a little shorter, so we're going to use this as filler wood somewhere. But I only accounted for 3 of these, and I got like 3.5 of these 3 3/4 board. So I feel like I'm ahead when it comes to the board game. Let me show you how these are going to go on real quick. Grab this one. Okay, so we're gonna put these on the inside instead of the outside, so I can have the frame exposed like this, and it'll look cool with the frame like that. It'll go all along this. I may end up putting a backer board across the length of it to give it a little more strength, but that's pretty much it. And we'll walk it around the entire side. We're gonna screw it through here, Cruz.
Yep.
And that's that. And then this strawberry box will be done other than filling it in. Let's go grab the boards. I left the board in the garage for a template for size in case we need to cut more, because I got 4 extra boards, okay? Let's take this here screw gun. Kind of put your board up here about where you think it might be. Get this right here in the middle. Screw this on in. The screw's gonna come out, so you want to make this as flush as you possibly can. Okay, got a hold of that one?
Yep.
Okay. Boom. Okay, that's it, and you move on to the next. Don't worry about this being loose. We're gonna get a 1/2 inch shorter screw, so we're not cutting ourselves when we go in. Okay, while Cruz works on the strawberry box, I'm going to work on this post. Marking out where this post is going to be. We want the post to, I think we're going to make this 12 foot. So, I mean, you have 2 8-foot boards, that's 16 foot. I don't think we need 16 foot. We're going to see. I may just cut the ends off, but don't play that by ear. Let me get a tape measure. So I got a stringer right here for this one. I just got to measure 12 feet from that post to this post, and I'll try to square it off here. Ooh. Gotta go down low. I gotta mark it down low. Hold it tight. I'm gonna mark 12. Okay, we're good. Let go. So in order to close this, I have these all numbered. Number 5. This is number 5. In order to fit this gap in here, I just put it on here. I take this pencil and I scored the back side, and this is the line. I got to cut that much off of it. So I'll do the same thing. This is the 6 board. I'll put the 6 board up here. Get it about as close as you can get it. Take a pencil, score the back side. You already cut it. Use this other board as a straight edge. Make sure everything's flush, everything's good. Cut it just right there. Okey-dokey. help her abandon me. Now, okay. Now, some of you might say, well, you should fill this in with dirt first, and you should do this and this first, and you might be right, but at this point, I'm just going. Trying to make use of the time I have. That's about all you really want, don't you? Anytime you got. Look at that pretty mulch. There's plenty of space. If I want to, I could build again on the back side of it with no problem whatsoever. Really good. What we got? Boy, now about level. It's just tacked in. It's gonna be good. We'll level this out, tamp it down, do what we gotta do. Tamp that down. Pretty good. Close enough. Man, I put in a whole day. I'm beat. I'll show you guys real quick. There's still a ton I got left to do, but this is basically one day and some money. So this is what I got done. Basically, I started mulching here, put the fabric down. It's about 4 inches thick. All the way around here, I'm about to cut those boards to finish off that box. I put posts in. I got one more post I got to get. Set it there, and then I'm gonna fence it all in from the deer. I'm not sure quite what I'm gonna do with my tomato cages yet. May leave them there, but I'm probably, when I get rid of these, which I'm still gonna use this scrap wood for something, I may put the tomato cages here, since my water source will be trenched in and right here to where I can spray everything. But that's it. It's coming along. A lot of work. Thanks for watching.